Our ribs have been trimmed, seasoned, and will dry brine until they begin to sweat. After a 2-hour cook, it's time to put on the sauce seasonings and wrap them. Okay, we're near the end of the cooking process. I just need to probe these and make sure that they're ready for final sauce and seasoning. Oh yeah, just like butter. Now that we have the right temperature, the final step is to add the sauce, add a little bit of seasoning, throw it back on the pit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and it's time to turn in. Doesn't that look delicious? Give it a little love. This is where the magic happens.